In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in Adobe Express. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to select something you want to add a link to. Now, this can be done with text or buttons or similar things, and you'll know if it's available whenever you click on that specific item, and then you right-click, and if it says link options, it means you can add a link. But if it doesn't say this, so if I select this shape, right-click, there's no link options, which means, of course, you cannot add a link to that specific thing. So if a link adding is available, you'll be able to see it when you click on it and right click and it says link options. You can also press Ctrl and K to be able to open up the link options, or go to the top, click on the three dots and click on link options from over here. Then in here you can just add a link, so just paste in your link and click on the check mark. I'm going to apply the link to my YouTube channel, and as you can see here, it's going to be kind of highlighted with an underline, so I can just click on it, and of course it's going to open up just like that, okay, inside my browser. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.